Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. Welcome to Trendlines Trader, where we do technical daily analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I want to show you some of my analysis where I do simple analysis for Nasdaq, gold, and US30. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's start with Nasdaq 100. We can see that Nasdaq 100 previously, if we start with our daily time frame, you can see that the Nasdaq previously was on a bullish uptrend. You can see it was on a bullish trend. So what we can do at the moment, we can just make this overall trend line for us to be able, for us to remember that it's a support zone. Let's label it so that we can see, we can remember this is support, our support zone. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see the market has been moving, making some touches here and there, and finally broke out of our overall support and really went bearish. You can see it really went bearish. The market went bearish. Look how the market was moving. The market has been making some beautiful waves up until it broke out of this area right here. Let's go to our 4-hourly time frame. Let's just jump lower to the lower time frame and see where the market is taking us. This is Nasdaq 100, don't forget that. So previous days we've been looking for the support where the market will be changing its movement. I hope you are able to see that our market managed to get the support, managed to change the movement, or managed to find the support at this area right here. At this area right here. Sorry, if we go back to the previous market movements, you can see the market managed to find the support right here. My line is not that straight. Anyway, let's move closer to the price, to the market price, and see where it's going, what is the overall movement. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that the market moves with passive moves and corrective moves, passive moves and corrective, passive moves and corrective moves. This is how the market, this is the nature of the market, how the market moves. If you look at our 4-hourly time frame, when you look at our 4-hourly time frame, remember that this is our overall support. It's our overall support. So the market broke out of this area right here, and came back to retest and went down and retested again. That's when it made this major passive move. I hope you are able to see what I'm trying to show you right here, that the market made this big candlestick to really show us that it's bearish. The market really broke out of that. So around last week, the market was respecting this support. If you can see, the market was respecting this support area, and it gave us this correlation, not correlation, the market gave us this consolidation right here. I don't know if today it will go down and push high, but I want to show you something. Let's go to this, let's make this trend line this resistance line here, so you can be able to see that previously we were on this, the market gave us this resistance line, and it seems like it has no longer, it's no longer supporting, I mean respecting, it's no longer respecting this resistance line, this diagonal resistance. As you can see that the market broke out of this resistance right here. It broke out of this resistance right here. We are about to see something like this before it pushes high. Okay, let me make this very simple for you guys to understand. When the market moves, remember that we have something like this. This is resistance. Now, if we have a resistance here, this is our resistance, current resistance, and this is our support. So the market has been moving like this to create the consolidation between this resistance and the support. So what we have to do, the market, for us to know that the market is about to push high, we just have to remember that if it breaks out of this resistance, it breaks out of it and it has to come to retest and push high. That's when we will be saying now the trend has changed. It's no longer the downtrend, but now it will be a uptrend. The market has been very bearish previous days. As we can see, the market has been very bearish. So what we can do, we will wait for the market to break out of this resistance and retest and push high, since well we are in a consolidation movement. This is the range. Yeah, another words for this consolidation, they say it's a range. So at the moment the market broke out of this resistance, diagonal resistance. Now for me to place the buy entries positions, for me to place the positions, I will be waiting for it to break out of this and retest. That's when it will be pushing high. Then I will place my buys after this retest. To make it simple for you, let me try to, I'm giving you guys a signal now. I'm giving you the signal now. So this is how the market will be moving. According to my opinion, the market will break out of this resistance and push high, come and retest, and then up to the moon. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm trying to show you. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy, but wait for the market to show us some retest and break out of this resistance. When it breaks out of this resistance, that's when I'll be placing my buys, because we will be moving high, higher and high. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to show you right here. This is the Nasdaq, man. Let's go to the lower time frame for you to understand a very simple something that I want to show you guys. This is our 1 hour time frame. Remember, in 1 hour time frame, if we look at this resistance and support that we saw, it's a consolidation, the range. Remember, we are still in the range. If we break out of this resistance, the market will push high. Now the market broke out of this resistance, diagonal resistance, which simply shows us that on 1 hour time frame we can see it's more like a wedge. It's more like a wedge, and the market broke out of it. It's gonna retest, and push high. I hope it's very clear. This is the descending wedge. You can see that it's a descending wedge. The market broke out of it. It's about to retest and then break out of the resistance, the horizontal resistance, and then push high. I hope you guys are able to get that. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Let's move to the next one. If we are moving to the next one, we're gonna have our US30. Let's go to daily time frame for us to be able to know the overall movement of this market. Previously, the market was on the uptrend. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm trying to show you. I won't hold back any information, guys. I'm gonna try to give you everything that I use or every information that I have, so that you guys are able to can be able to understand what I'm trying to show you right here. So guys, this is our overall support zone. Let me put it out there so that you can be able to know where we are going. The market was US30 was moving exactly like Nasdaq 100. If you are able to see that it's making these waves movements to show us that it's a uptrend, it's a daily time frame. The market broke out of our overall support right here, came back, and now it's like it's retesting. But if it breaks back in, we're gonna have something like this and push high. Let's move to the lower time frame. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm trying to show you guys right here. I love what I see here. You can see that the market is creating some nice uptrend. Let's go to the lower time frame so that we are able to see where the market is taking us. Let's move to the 4-hourly time frame and see where the market is taking us, ladies and gentlemen. On 4-hourly time frame, we can see that the market also had the downtrend. The US30 was giving us a nice downtrend, same as Nasdaq. I hope you guys are able to see that. If you can see this downtrend, the market was also selling. I mean, the US30 was also selling. No, this doesn't work. So since we broke out of this overall trend, we broke out of this overall support, the market came, retested, and gave us this range. So now the market is about to break in our overall support zone and gonna retest and push high. According to my opinion, the bearish movement is over. The selling time, it's about time now the market pushes high. It's about time now the buyers come in. I hope you guys are able to understand what I'm trying to show you. If you are able to see this, let me show you something here. This is what I see. I hope you are able to see what I see. It's a very nice movement for us to be able to see what the market is doing. The market broke out of this previous diagonal resistance. Now it's gonna retest and pushes high. It's US30, man. This is how it moves. It also sometimes it correlates with Nasdaq 100, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it correlates, sometimes it doesn't. If I can show you a previous support and resistance, this is our resistance, previous support. The market came, respected the area and broke out of it, came to retest to make it a resistance, went down, came to retest to make it a resistance, went down, came again, respected, and now it's at the resistance level. Let's hope the market breaks out of this resistance and give us something like this, because you can see this is a wedge. This is ascending wedge. We are at the ascending wedge. It's not descending like we had in Nasdaq 100. This is, oh, the lines. This is our descending wedge. If the market breaks out of this, give us retest, we place our buys positions and move high. I'm telling you, this is the US30. Expect the unexpected. The market is gonna give us a very beautiful movement. If we push to the lower time frame, let's see. One thing I can tell you, soon this resistance will be broken. Soon this resistance will be broken. Soon we will be breaking out of this resistance. You can see this is the wedge. This is the ascending wedge. Ladies and gentlemen, the market retested and pushed down, came again, retested the area and pushed down, came again, retested this area, pushed down. Now we are at this area again. I don't wanna lie saying it will push down, but it's possible. We don't make, or we don't tell the market how to move, but we wait and see. Allow the market to come to you. Don't push or force the market. The market has to come to you. The good trader is the one who waits for the good trades for him to take. Name. The market broke out. This is a previous support. Broke out of this area to give us this resistance and went up again. Remember, each and every time the market comes to this resistance and hit it like this, it's making this area weak. Eventually it will end up break out of it and push high. I hope that's very clear. Let's move to the next one. The next one is I believe it's gold. I believe it's gold. Let me write it for you so that we don't remember that we are analyzing the gold. Moving to the daily time frame. Okay, all right. Seems like the market is moving nicely. Let me show you the highest point here and our lowest point on gold. Let me try to make it simple for you guys to see the lowest and the highest points, the turning points, so that we can tell where the market is going. It seems like previously the market was on the lower time frame, was on a downtrend. This is the downtrend. Previously it was having something like a downtrend. I hope you are able to see what I'm showing you. Previously the market was on the lower downtrend, and at the present moment, since the market made this move right here, broke out of this downtrend, the market is pushing towards the uptrend. I hope this is very clear to you guys. Are you able to see what I'm showing? This is the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame it shows us that the market is moving with the uptrend, bullish trend. It's moving with the bullish trend. As you can see, is making very beautiful moves. I want to tell you or remind you that we had a higher high, lower low, lower high, lower high. This is our lower high. The market is moving like this. Hopefully the market will continue with the uptrend, but here is the thing: the market failed to break this higher high, as you can see here. Since the market failed to break this area here, it gives us the lower high. So I'm wondering, if the market is moving like this, it means it's gonna break this diagonal support area here, break out of it, and give us the downtrend, or give us, yes, the bearish trend, because the market failed to make a new higher high. But don't forget, this is gold. Anything is possible. Anything is possible with gold, as much as it can make a U-turn, or it can push high. Respect this area right here. If it's gonna respect this area to push high to give us higher high, our new higher high. Since we have this higher highs, the market can respect the area here to give us the new higher high. Because this is higher high, higher low, then it will be higher high and higher low to show us it's on the uptrend, to continue with that bearish uptrend. If it respects this area this week and pushes high, it's gonna give us something like that. Like if it pushes like this, and anything is possible with the market. We don't control the market. The market moves on its direction. Let's move to the lower time frame and be able to see a very beautiful movement of this chart. I want to show you guys that we are on the uptrend. Allow me to make this note here so that we know we have a support zone. And let me draw the second one. This is our 4-hourly time frame, where we will be able to see this channel, this up channel. This is the inner up channel. Remember, the market moves in passive moves and give us corrective moves, passive moves like this, passive moves, and maybe corrective before passive moves. You will get used to it if you keep on practicing, or if you keep on spending time with charts. You can be able to see it from a distance that this is a passive move, corrective move, passive, corrective moves, then passive. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm showing you. So on the 4-hour time frame, I want to show you that we had resistance, a support, horizontal support zone, as you will be able to see. The market came, respected this area couple of times. It has been respecting this area, and if it respects this area again today, we're gonna push high. So what I can tell you is the market is on the diagonal support zone and a horizontal support zone. This area is very important. This area is very important. Look at this. The market seems like on our 4-hour time frame, the market respected our diagonal support. If we can zoom in, this is our diagonal support zone. The market came, respected it, pushed high. Now it's on diagonal, a horizontal support zone. The market came, broke out of this area here to reach our diagonal support and respected it as it pushed high, and now it's on our horizontal support. We can see the market give us such moves. It's gold, it can do that. But anything is possible. If the market breaks out of this area and this diagonal support, we're gonna see something like this, where the market will be giving us a bearish movement. This is very beautiful moves, man. The market is on the horizontal support, respected diagonal support, broke into previous support area, and now it's playing around it to give us something like this. I think we can place our buys if we are experiencing some of such moves. If the market makes this such moves, we're gonna say we can place our buys somewhere here if it really confirms that it's respecting this area right here. If it's giving us a bullish, this is for hourly time frame, remember. If it gives us a bullish candlestick, I'm gonna place my buying positions and push high with the market, because you can definitely see this is bearish, bullish trend. This is bullish trend, man. It's a bullish trend. It's gonna make these moves. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm showing you, and you can see even our MA moving average is about to change the directions to the bullish uptrend. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the information, please don't forget to click on the thumb, and if you get this information, please Don't forget to subscribe. Let's do this again tomorrow, and please subscribe to our Trend Lines Trader.